Hello and welcome back on my YouTube channel, Parth Doshi, Learning by Doing. So today in this video, we have one of the industry expert with us, Chaitanya. In this video, so first of all, welcome Chaitanya to my YouTube channel and thank you for accepting the invitation to make a video together. So first of all, Chaitanya, congratulations on becoming the UiPath MVP. I know it's a very big award from the UiPath community. So first of all, congratulations for
Yeah.
that.
Thank you very much, Path.
Okay, so today in this video, as you can see the title, we are going to talk about three different technologies and how we can integrate them. So till now we have learned RPA, then we had UiPath AI Center, we started implementing AI fabric models. Now it's AI Center and all. But today Chaitanya is going to present with his expertise in a particular technology that is augmented reality. So he is going to show us how can a digital transformation be brought into an organization by integrating this all three technologies, that is RPA, AI and AR. So I think this is going to be a very interesting topic, so I would suggest you to watch till the end.
Indeed.
So okay, Chaitanya, so let's start with first a short introduction about yourself and then we can go ahead with the
Yeah.
presentation.
Yeah. So my name is Chaitanya Kulkarni. I started my career in 2017 and I got a break and I got my first job itself into automation. From my starting of my job, I was completely passionate about automating the multiple applications, legacy applications with RPA. I tried most of the tools, but my favorite tool, as you all know, is UiPath.
Right.
And recently I'm very passionate about learning new things. I'm currently exploring augmented reality and how we can integrate them with other RPA and AI. That's all what we're going to discuss today as well.
Amazing,
And
amazing.
first of all, thank you very much, Parth, for having me on your channel.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. Okay, so
Yeah,
let's start with the presentation.
sure.
Okay, okay,
Let
great.
me know if you can see my screen. I will share my screen.
Yes,
Let me
yes,
know if
yes.
you can see my screen and if I'm audible.
Okay, looks perfect. Okay,
Okay. So today we will be discussing about digital transformation by binding the mega powers. The mega powers as in the latest technologies that are
right.
augmented reality, RPA and AI. So we will discuss how this can transform or boost the businesses or make the life of people much easier.
Okay,
So
amazing.
in the yeah, the agenda will be first we will have a glance on what RPA is, what AI is, and what is exactly augmented reality. We will
Okay,
see what is the potential of it, means what potential of augmented reality, how
okay,
it's right now in the
okay.
industry.
So the
And
applications
then we will
basically
go
of AR.
exactly
Okay,
of applications of AR right now, how AR is being used in multiple
right,
domains.
right.
Then we will see how AR can be bounded with RPA and AI to make the transformations in the companies or in the businesses.
Awesome.
And last but not least, we will discuss on upcoming trends with the AR.
Okay,
So
okay,
this is a short agenda for today's session.
okay.
Should we
Amazing.
proceed?
Yes, yes, yes. We can definitely go ahead.
Perfect. So basically, as we know, RPA is a robotic process automation is all about automating the repetitive
Right,
and hectic task. It's
right,
all about making the software robots and
right.
making the life of people easy. Artificial intelligence is basically a wide branch. It uh, covers NLP, natural language processing, then
Right,
predicting the future on the basis of by detecting the object detection. So multiple things are covered in the artificial intelligence basically.
right.
Augmented reality is placing the imaginary objects in the real world. So we can place the virtual objects in the real world
Okay,
and we can improve the user experience using augmented reality.
awesome.
So these are all the major three technologies, leading three technologies that can transform the
Right.
world digitally.
So one question over here to the
Yeah,
previous one. So we
yeah.
know robotic process automation.
Hmm.
So when we are developing the UiPath bots, right, we have kind of a rule-based
Hmm.
automation. So now when we
Yes.
involve AI with that, we can give it some artificial
Yes.
intelligence capability or email capabilities, like we have UiPath document understanding, wherein we can
Yeah.
create our ML models. So now, how does
Exactly.
augmented
Mm-hmm.
reality give benefits above
Mm-hmm.
this? So I wanted to ask that.
So yes, if we implement the augmented reality with the intelligent process automation, it will
Right,
take the solutions beyond the our imagination, or it will improve the user experience, end user experience.
right. And
It's
also we can I think we can, whatever use case we are building, we can make it able to reach to major audience using augmented reality on top of intelligent process
exactly,
automation.
exactly. By
Okay,
combining RPA with artificial intelligence, it will give the intelligent process automation.
right,
And by integrating augmented reality with intelligent process automation, it will be an another level of integration.
perfect. Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay, let's go ahead.
Yes. So right now we will see how AR has been used. If you
Okay,
remember Parth, the game Pokemon Go,
yeah, yeah. We had to scan the Pokemons through our
so it's
mobile phones.
completely yeah, yeah. So it's completely a game built in augmented reality.
Right,
Augmented reality has already transformed the gaming industry. But apart from that, augmented reality is now entering and transforming the tourism industry. The
right,
tourists can like use the AR applications to know more about the places that they are visiting.
right,
It is
right,
used to improve the navigation and maps, so it will be helping the drivers and the anyone who is driving the cars with the navigations and improve
right,
maps experience with maps.
right,
It is empowering the retail industry as well, like for example, this is the one of the famous organization IKEA has implemented the augmented reality application to for their furniture products.
right.
So you can actually place those products in your home
Home
and
and safe.
see how they
Yeah,
exactly,
I think
exactly.
the colors that we have, the wall paint that we apply,
Exactly,
that app is
yes,
also there, that we can see on our walls
yes,
how actually our room
yes,
is looking. Also, there's one more,
yes.
like talking about augmented reality, I have also seen one more app
Mhm,
which we use to measure
mhm.
the area in our house. We see the table
Yeah,
is
yeah,
of
yeah.
that much,
The
this
length,
many inches or
yes.
length, and that. Okay, so these are
Right,
some of
right, right.
the very familiar applications that we know.
Exactly. Even if you remember, the Lenskart has given the 3D
Yes,
layers. You can
yes,
try various glasses
right, right, right,
before purchasing them. That's
right,
even implemented with augmented reality.
right.
Last but not least, I would like to also mention how AR can transform the agriculture domain.
Okay,
If you can show the farmers what their crops will look like in few months of before bowing the seeds, they can
right,
see the results, they can compare the results, and then they can decide with which seeds they should go with.
right,
So
right.
these are
So
the
these
few
are all
domains. Mhm.
the thinkable solutions in future that can be implemented or are already in the process of getting implemented, I think.
They are on the way. Yeah, they are on the way. Soon
Right,
they will
right,
be. Yeah,
right.
yes.
Okay, so
So
till now
AR has the
we saw.
potential to transform all the domains.
Right. So
Hmm.
till now we understood how can the AR integration with the existing intelligent process automation be helpful. Now we also know some of the
Yeah.
applications of AR as well.
Hmm.
So we have kind of got a very much
Yes.
brief overview about this complete digital transformation that we are talking about. Right, right, right.
Right.
Okay, awesome, awesome.
Yes. So next what it comes is binding these three mega powers,
Right,
binding AR,
the
RPA,
main
and
question.
AI. Yes. So most of the people think that these are parallel technologies. So there should be some integration between them. There should be some intersection between them, right?
Right,
If we work on this, if we make these three technologies work together, I see many of the businesses can boost, many of the transformations can take place. For example, here is just one of the use case that I was thinking.
okay,
UiPath RPA bot can be used to collect the data from various application, various sources.
right,
Okay,
okay,
RPA can be used to collect the data. That collected data can be passed to the AI model, which will
right,
predict the outcomes of that.
right.
Okay.
Right.
So whatever outcomes that are predicted by AI model can be demonstrated or can be shown to the end user using augmented reality. So basically,
Okay.
end user will be seeing the predicted future.
Right.
So it would be like you can see the future, which is
Right.
predicted by AI model.
Right, right. So
So
whatever we are seeing right now as well, like the previously
mhm,
applications that we saw, so here just we are trying to
mhm,
find a intersection point wherein we can integrate these three
exactly,
types of technologies. That is the UiPath
exactly.
robot, which is collecting the
Mhm,
data. So collecting data
yes,
can be data scraping or any other softwares or anything as
exactly.
such. Then we will use that
Right,
data
right.
and put it into a
Mhm,
AI model that we have developed. And to
yes.
make it reach to the wider audience with a proper user
Mhm,
interface, we are using the augmented reality.
right. Right, exactly. You are right. So, for example, a UiPath robot can be used to get the data about the company sales from various applications. Okay.
Right,
On the basis of the data collected by the UiPath robot, AI model can predict the sales in the coming future about the
right,
company.
right, right, right,
And that sales can be shown to the business users using augmented reality.
right,
That can be one of the example.
right, right, right. Okay, so these are the kind of intersections or the
Mhm.
integration we can do between these three technologies.
Yes. Yes,
Right,
right.
right, right,
There are many, but this is the one of the way I was thinking.
right. Yeah, obviously there can be multiple ways of integration, but this is like we
Yeah,
are very much aware of right now.
right,
Right,
exactly.
right. Okay, let's go ahead.
S- So moving forward, if we see upcoming trends with augmented reality, augmented reality is already transforming the education. Like many children seems to be more interested to learn with augmented reality than just reading the bookish languages,
Right,
and it's like transforming the education society.
right.
Even the clothing experience or the shopping experience has been can be improved with the augmented reality if we implement this, so business can be
Right.
boosted. And for your, yeah, you would be interested to know part like you might know for implementing augmented reality or to see the end experience you need a
Mhm.
hololens or you need a
Okay.
mobile devices to
Right.
see this. But in the coming future there will be the AR lenses, so you won't need to buy any external device to and to wear it and to
Okay.
go everywhere. You can just put the lenses and you can experience the augmented reality.
Right. This sound awesome. So I also love the variety of applications that you showed. So in the potential of RPA, we had the retail and the traveling experience and all that. And then here you have shown the education and improve. So we can see that there's the scope of implementation in all the different areas that we have, like education, like we can say
Indeed.
ed tech, lenses, then shopping, then
Yes,
traveling, then retail, and the
indeed.
various applications that you showed previously. Okay,
Yes,
this sound awesome. Also, I
right.
remember you had one video
Mhm.
related to your shopping something on AR use case. You had posted it on LinkedIn.
Yes,
So
right.
what was that about? So
Yeah.
what was actually happening in that?
So actually in that, when you go to any shop or any market and
Right.
you just open the application, AR application
Uh-huh.
that we have built using Unity, and you point your camera towards any product, it
Okay.
will give all the details of that product, like
Awesome.
your last the expiry date of that product, the ingredients of it,
Right.
and every details will be given.
Right.
Even if you have any offers on that product, that will be mentioned.
Right. Right.
So
Right.
that was the
Okay.
application.
Yeah. Yeah. Because I remember that you had posted that video and it got quite famous on LinkedIn.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
right.
Okay. So I think this was an awesome presentation. Do we have something more or this
No,
is it?
that's
Okay.
it from my side.
This
Yes.
this was an awesome. Okay, it
Mhm.
was definitely an awesome presentation, and to hear it from you who is already exploring the technology, I definitely loved it. So my interest has arisen in now learning this AR application that you have showed and to see how we are going to integrate it with UiPath. So this can definitely be one of the great transformation or the integration that we can show to the UiPath community, and it can help them to explore more different technologies and it's not only
Yes,
restricting themselves to
exactly.
UiPath.
Yes, and it will take the traditional robotic process automation beyond the right now what it
Right,
is.
right. So right now we are talking about intelligent process automation, hyper automation. Now, further, I think you will be having something related to this AR as well, and there will be more applications and implementation.
Hope so, hope so.
Awesome, awesome.
Indeed,
So thank you
yes.
so much, Chaitanya, for making this video. I hope people explored a very different integration which they might have heard or might not had heard before, and they might be able to explore some different technology. So thank you so much for making this video.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Parth. So last but not least, I would like to say one thing to all the one who is viewing this video. Do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for the Parth Doshi Learning by Doing for more exciting videos.
Thank you so much, Chaitanya. Thank you so much.
Yeah.